No, I didn't find them.
No?
No. They're gone.
They were not gone.
They're gone.
They're not gone.
The shop gnome ran off with them. It's alright, I got this other pair, it'll be fine. Alright. We're just gonna set it up here and tag it. Let's recenter view. Ready? Alright. And we'll tack the whole in there. We're good. Let's tack them all in there. Galvanized metal stinks.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I'm sure it's not healthy.
Not approved by California. Looks like I'm about a half inch, 3/4 in. Got plenty of room on that side. Alright, here we go.
Burning my toolbox now.
Turn the heat up here a little bit. I feel like we've got to need a little bit more action. Everything's square now. Oh. You didn't have it flush. Is it good now?
Yeah, and then you just hit me, huh?
What do I think about that? Alright, how's that look? Let's get a 360 look at it here. Yep, great. Just lay down like that. Alright, so we're going to do the quick dirt late model garage lesson on welding here. Got a little paint pen. We're going to use my paint pen as a example of my welding tools. So that way we can do this. I'm going to prime the paint pen up and get it going here. Brand new, so it takes a minute. There it goes. We got my paint pen primed up here. I'm going to show you as an example here for very beginning welding. It is simple with the MIG welder to be about a 1/4 inch off of the surface and begin your weld and begin feeding your wire, and you feed forward and then backwards, forward and then backwards, forward and then backwards. So that's one way. That's the most simple way. The way you get a little bit better puddle weld is to work kind of like a corkscrew. So we're going to work forward like this and then whip back. Forward like this and then whip back. Forward like this and whip back. And I've got them kind of a lot longer whips than what I would normally have when I'm welding, but that gives you a good example of what I'm going to be doing once I've got the hood down and I'm burning the metal there. Alright, I'm going to start right here at the edge of my tack, and I'm going to get a good puddle going, and I'm going to use this method. I'm going to whip it forward and come back, whip it forward and come back. We got a nice good burn in there. I am not a professional welder by trade, but we've done quite a few projects with this thermal arc welder. 165, 210, and it burns in pretty good. It does a pretty good job for us. We haven't had any real issues with anything we've built, any welds coming apart or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do this side here. Same thing, I'm just going to keep whipping it around and a corkscrew. Okay. Nice good burn there. I'm trying to make sure I go a little bit slower. I'm trying to get it really hot so I get good good weld penetration here, because this is going to be holding a lot of weight. I want this car to fall off. Okay, we'll do the same here. All right. Now we got 4 good solid welds all the way across. How'd I do? That doesn't look too bad.
It's hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It melts the oil right off the glove there. All right, we're ready to flip this thing around.
Grab that side.
Alright, same routine on this side. We're just going to weld each here and get it done. Trying to give the welder just a little bit of time to breathe in between each one of my runs. It doesn't run at 100% duty cycle, so we've got to try to give it a little rest in between our welds here. Alright, one more to do over here. And periodically, the nozzle gets a little clogged up when you do this wire welding like this. MIG welding with shielding gas, and just make sure your tip stays clean in there. Make each pass each pump. Should warm my hat. Feel my head burning a little bit there. My bald spot.
See how he did. I've seen better.
Gonna burn them up. I don't think they're going nowhere.
Nah.
We can flip it over and see if we want to put some welds on the top. I don't know if it's necessary.
Here's the other one.
We gotta fix the bolt on our ground here too on this welder. Yeah, I reckon we ought to put a couple little puddle welds in there inside just to help draw it up in a couple spots. Knock some of that surface rust off of this thing. just did it. I put my perch down and I made it down. So we should be ready to go. Alrighty, sir. She's ready for the test run.